Here we're going to learn how to find median using the median function in Excel. The median function in Excel returns the median for a given set of number. Median is the middle from that set of number that you choose. So in Excel, in order to find the median, we're going to use the equal to sign. Start typing MEDIAN and you will see the function pop up. So double click on it and a bracket opens up. So inside the bracket, that's where you specify your data range. So in this case, my data set is in cells D3 all the way to D12. So inside my bracket, I'm going to select my data set. So here you can see my function has been set up equal to median, open bracket, D3 up to D12, close bracket. So when you press enter, you can find your median for this data set, which is 52,116.52.